Hi guys! In this video, let's do a word problem. So the problem is, cans are stacked as shown. The stack is 25 cans high. Can you find out how many cans are stacked in total? Let's find out! Okay, so here, the cans are stacked as shown, right? So this stack is 25 cans high, and if you guys look, the first top row has 1 can, the second row has 2 cans, the third row has 3 cans, the fourth row has 4 cans. So that means the fifth row would have 5 cans, the sixth row would have 6 cans, seventh row would have 7 cans. So that means the 25th row would have 25 cans. So here, let's go from the first row all the way to the 25th row. So then we would be doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way to plus 24 plus 25. So here, the 1 plus 24 is 25. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And another 25, so 13. So 13 times 25. So that would equal 325. So there would be 325 cans stacked in total. So that's the answer. Let's do math every day and like this video.